Together, we will create a weekly shopping list using the Out of Milk app. We will start by selecting Pantry List. Then we will add all the items in the fridge to the pantry list. Next, we will add all the items in the freezer to the pantry list. We will move to the cabinets and add all the items in the cabinet to the pantry list. Finally, we will add all the items in the bathroom to the pantry list. The next step is to change the items that we do not need to buy from low to full. We will create the weekly shopping list by selecting all the low items, then adding these items to our shopping list.